Hello my beautiful amazing people, it's your boy Mr. Green Hands. I'm here at the allotment and I am about to harvest my carrots, the ones that I sowed, and these are a red variety that I planted earlier in the season to harvest. Now, yes, you guys can see me behind me walking around, and let's go and grab those carrots and see how they did, or if there's anything worth taking home. So in here you have some beautiful carrots, I hope. I pray there are some in here. You have some leeks for helping out with the companionship. I've got some broccoli in here, but they are looking like they are struggling. But hopefully, by removing these carrots, they will have all the energy there for themselves and let them start to grow. A lot of them have gone to seed, so I'm praying I can actually have a few to take home with me. So by the grace of God, let's see how it turns out right now. So I'm going to go and pull out, you know what, I'm actually going to pull out the ones which are seeded already. I don't think I need any more seeds. These are not the ones I want to save, because carrots, I have a lot of them. Let's remove those and see. Okay, I can see one lot here. Let's see. Ooh, these are tiny and baby ones. Jeez, I don't really want to get those. I might take them home, who knows. I do have some other carrots planted around the allotment, so let's see. Not bad. They are small, but I'm hoping that they're delicious as well. So that's one lot. Give it a bit of jiggle. Oh, these are a little bit tiny. I might have to consider actually thinning these guys out when I plant them. I try not to do that. I try to let nature does its own thing and let it choose which one is the best. Let me just remove this bush here. Oops. So far they're not looking too great, but I'm not worried at all, because at the end of the day, I have lots more carrots planted. This one is a little bit jammed, and this is a no dig bed. I tried it to always. I changed my whole allotment to no dig. I'm tired of digging and turning over soil and having. Let me just grab this bunch. Okay, not the best. But these are reddish colored. I don't know if you guys can see it in the camera, but they're not your typical orange color. They're like a reddish color. So this is the first time I'm actually planting them. Oh, I love the smell of carrot tops. By the way, guys, you can add carrot tops to your salads when you're harvesting them. I'm not gonna lie to you and say I do take them home and add them to my carrots, to my salads. I actually don't. What I do with them is basically just chop them and add them back to the garden. So next year I can have a greater harvest with something else. So there's a couple of good size, but I think this variety wasn't meant to be big. Oh, this one broke off. This one was a deep one. It's okay. And this is so far as what I was looking. I'm gonna grab the rest of them, and if I even get this size, to me this size is perfect. It doesn't need to be massive. Sometimes when they get too big, they lose their flavor and they get quite like chewy, like you're eating bark. So having them nice and young and tender, they might be better tasting than having this big thing. Okay, let me grab some more here. Let's see if I might actually need to go get my hand shovel, whatever, to get them, because some of them are bundling up in here. They're bundling together due to me not thinning them out, but they're looking good. And because it's no dig, so it's basically mostly composted soil or compost. That's a good eating. It's tiny, but might be powerful, and the smell is just so divine. It's good. There's some in here that's stuck, so I just want to get my shovel and just dig it around a little bit. I don't want to dig up the soil or turn the soil too much. They're really compact. I might have to dig around it a little bit just to relieve the soil a little bit. And just get them out. There you go. See? They're all intertwined together. See? They're all intertwined. Look at this funny looking one. I'm going to show you guys in a second. Look at that funny looking one. Look at that. Funny. But that's what it, these are, to me, these are more natural than the other ones that you buy in the shop. Because look, everybody wants the perfect long shaped carrots, but these are just as nutritious and tasty as the ones that you see. Actually, they might even, to me, I think these ones are actually better than the ones in the shop. Let's harvest the rest and show you my harvest today of these beautiful red carrots. So this is the harvest of the red carrots. I pulled out one of my orange ones so you guys can see. This is the normal color that you see in the shop. This is a damage there, but this is the normal color carrots that you normally get in the shop, and these are the special ones. Look at the difference in color. You know, this is the orange, this is the reddish color, and this was one of the biggest one I found, and I'm so happy. It doesn't matter about the size of the carrots, is just having carrots. Indeed, that's so important. And these are all naturally grown. They have no chemicals sprayed on them at all, and they are, to me, they're small and mighty, and that's what it's all about. Go out there or just have an intrigue to think that food is the only thing that we need, one of the things that we need to survive. So why not grow your own so you know where they come from and how they were produced? If you don't have a garden or you don't have a back garden, get some pots, try something. Put them at the windowsill or anywhere you can find a little bit of light to have them grow. And if you are not having that, there are options for hydroponics and other things as well. So have a look into those and think about food is important to your growth and health and being healthy, because food to me is medicine. So let's try having that in our brain. And please do not forget to take care of the planet. This is the boy, Mr. Green Ant. And don't worry about everything. It's our home. We don't have a choice. Have a good day. Stay blessed.